If you've been in a car accident in West Palm Beach, one of the first questions on your mind is probably this: how long is this lawsuit going to take? Well, the truth is, it depends. Let's walk through it. A typical car accident lawsuit goes through a few key phases: filing the claim, gathering evidence, negotiating a settlement, and sometimes going to trial. But the timeline can vary widely depending on the details of your case. One big factor: severity of your injuries. If you're dealing with serious injuries and long-term treatment, that could slow things down. Your medical recovery and records play a huge role in determining your final settlement. Another factor is the insurance companies involved. If they cooperate, your case might wrap up in a few months. But if they push back or dispute fault, that can cause delays. And then there's the big one: will your case go to trial? Trials take time, months of preparation, scheduling, and legal steps. Most cases settle before trial, but if yours doesn't, expect the process to stretch out. Here's where having a skilled car accident lawyer really makes a difference. A lawyer can keep things moving, handling communication, negotiating with the insurance company, and making sure every piece of paperwork is handled on time. No missed deadlines. No unnecessary delays. They also know exactly what evidence to gather and how to present it quickly and effectively. That can make all the difference when it comes to speeding up negotiations. Now, let's talk about the mistakes that slow people down. Waiting too long to report the accident, missing legal deadlines, delaying communication with your lawyer or insurance. All of these can drag out your case. But when you're working with an experienced attorney, they help you stay on top of every step. At the end of the day, every case is different. But understanding the process and having the right support can make things smoother, faster, and far less stressful. At Felice Trial Attorneys, we've helped countless injury victims across Florida get the justice they deserve. We only charge if we win and offer both in-person and virtual meetings to make things easier for you. So, if you're wondering what comes next after a car accident, reach out. We're here to help.